Oh my God, you're so silly. You're obsessed with mounds of dirt and snow. She loves plowing through it. You'll get a workout now, honey. It's pretty nasty out. 15 inches of snow. Get back over on your pile again. It's pretty deep, huh? Yeah, it is. Oops, careful. Let's not break a leg. Oh, oh, we're so mad. Snowing again, Goldie. All right, let's not be simple now. No tearing around. Gotta get her back up on that mound. She loves attacking, like, mounds of dirt and snow. Goldie, what are you doing there, sweetie? There you go. It was pretty deep. It's up over my knees and it's up to your knees. What you got? If you're gonna be silly, do it soon. What are you chewing on? What is that? Alright. My hands are cold, my gloves are wet. Gotta get your stalls done. Right, Goldie? Goldie! Gold. Enjoy the storm. I got work to do. Bye, Gold.